That paper's really hard.
There you go.
Turn it over. There you go.
Right here.
Right here.
Yep. Good job.
I think I got you all presents.
Huh?
There you go. Good
This is
job.
from Grandma and
I
Grandpa
didn't know
too.
this was a paper.
Uh-oh. It's like bitty baby stuff.
Uh-oh.
I need help.
Oh, is
I stick it.
Yeah. Thanks.
what is that?
Oh, goodness.
What is that? What's on the other side? What's the front of it? Is that your favorite book?
Read it.
You can read it later, okay? Is it the Polar Express Jingle Bell? I'll open this one. That's from Papa and Nana too.
Oh,
Oh!
Papa, Nana. That's Papa's.
You get a book? What is that?
Oh, this.
Polar
Is
Express.
that the Polar Express?
Oh.
Hey, that's my Christmas tree decorating. Is she smiling?
Are you smiling on the camera?
You doing Grandma's hair? Huh?
Are you smiling?
Stop.
What?
Don't dry
You got a hair dryer?
it. Turn on.
It turns on?
Fix it.
Fix it?
Papa, fix it.
Grandpa fixed it? Oh, that was nice of him.